BIX.X, CBO S&P Bank Index. It's got the culprits in here. Most of you know what they are. You got Bank of America. Oh boy. You have a lot of key banks that are in here. PNC happens to be fairly decent. But you got Wells Fargo in here as well. And the thing about it is the BIX.X is called the S&P Banking Index. And it hasn't turned around at all as far as I'm concerned. The banking index in this country from the two, we had a great run for a lot of years up here, but it gave it all back and a whole lot more. And there's a 2007. Boy, we enjoyed that year taking these things down. And here's a snapshot of the 2009 lows, so you know a little bit of the history and some of the breakouts that were happening. And basically we came right up here and tested this neckline and rolled right over. Now, unlike the transports and whatnot, you do want to see the financials starting to act better. And from their 2011 highs over here, they have not acted very well at all. We have had a total reversal, and we haven't looked back, and the key support levels are going to be right here along with the 2,000-year lows. We broke that 2010 low here. We broke this 2011 low right here. And basically all the weekly moving averages, and it's going to take the financials at some point that they're going to have to hold the support level. And it's going to take at some point where these financials turn around, because if you're going to leave a bear trend, you've got to turn the financials into a bull trend. They haven't been able to do it. 2010, they had a fairly decent run during the beginning stimuluses, but remember, financials have to be a key player, unlike the transports and the semis and various other key indexes. This is what's tied to America's the financial system. And if we break that support level and we come down here, right over here where my pencil is right there, and break that support level lower, then that means that they're not going in the right direction, and that means that there'll be more selling pressure in the broader indices and sectors and indexes across the board. Financials at some point in time, whether it be this year, what's left of it, and or next year, but at some point the financials must find a bottom, and they must trade higher in order for markets to do a lot better moving forward. So once again, that's your picture on the financials. Bear as bear.